It's 5:30 on the 3rd of November. It's Wednesday. I've been at my desk since 6 a.m., which means 11 hours. I haven't done a trade yet. That's Obama speaking. Let me turn him off because he's just kind of waffling at this point. I haven't done a trade yet, mostly because at 6:15 tonight in England, or 2:15 in the U.S., the U.S. at the FOMC meeting announces their quantitative easing plan. Basically, print $500 billion, buy bonds, and hope that creates jobs. However, I have missed a few trades, but mostly because I didn't have signals or I just wasn't focusing good enough. For example, this is the bond, it's a German bond. These are 5-minute candlesticks, but we're zoomed out, so these are individual days. And, you know, I wanted to buy this morning if we zoom in. And I wanted to buy it this morning as the market opened. And here's market open at 7 a.m. in the European markets, but I just didn't have any signals. I guess I could have bought it when it broke the 200-day moving average to that orange line, and then it held it, but I need more signals otherwise.
So here we are, back down just a couple of full prices away from the low.
That's Will, the owner.
Just tell you about what the market's expecting. You know, to me, it does show that perhaps it's building up for a little bit of disappointment from this afternoon.
Maybe. Let's put him on mute. I'm more important. It's my video. Basically, at 2 o'clock there was good economic data in the U.S. for manufacturing and jobs, and yet the S&P sold off. This is how confusing the markets are sometimes. And I did have a signal in the S&P, but I just missed it. I was watching it. If I enlarge it, I had one of my divergent signals, prices making higher highs, RSI making lower lows. It dropped from 69 to 64%. This is just before cash open, which is right here. And also, if we zoom out, we had there's no double top, but it was the high for the day. Anyway, you can see the market sold off. This is gold. Same thing again. At 12:35, prices are making higher highs. RSI is making lower lows, and I missed that divergence. And I also didn't sell it with the break of support right here. Anyway, I saw it here at, you know, $1,355, and that's when I went to make lunch. And I missed that 20-point sell-off. Whoops. They're 5-minute candles. So you can see in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 30 minutes it's down, like 28 points. Whoops. So that was just going for lunch. And then what else? I should just buy the break of trend lines. I had this trend line on my chart. This is the US dollar to the yen contact here. Here from yesterday and this morning, it breaks the trend line. They're 1-hour candlesticks. If we go to 5-minute candlesticks, here's that trend line right there, and it's going along really quietly, and you can see it gets above the trend line, then the trend line acts as support really nicely. And the euro dollar. Double top on the euro dollar at yesterday's high at 1.4058. Tagged it right here. I saw all the softness in the market. Had the trend line drawn. I didn't sell the break of the trend line. You see it's channeling down nicely. So I will be trading very effectively and safely and responsibly the FOMC minutes at 6:15. Oh, he's gone. Yeah, lots of fun. My right arm's a bit stiff because I used to have my hand just here, and I didn't have an elbow rest, so I had to put my desk over, so my arm is sore from being at my computer for the last 36 hours in the last 3 days.